friends, it's Jessie here. I am back with my weekly grocery haul. As always, I went to Walmart. We did the grocery pickup. We had some substitutions, but it wasn't too many. I think it was 8, so it was quite a few, but they were all pretty good substitutions. I was happy with everything. So I spent right about $130. The only thing that is missing is milk. They were completely out of stock of all the milk, so I don't know, maybe there's a shortage, but I couldn't get milk, but everything else we were able to get. So, over here, to get started, a whole mess of drinks. We're going to be camping soon. God willing, we'll be able to actually go. Governor's talking about letting that sort of thing happen, so technically we already can go because it's considered our second residence technically, but all of the activities and stuff at the campground are currently closed, so won't be as much fun, but I think we're definitely going to try to go. So, wanted to stock up on drinks for that. 2 of my husband's favorite unsweet tea. I got a case of water and a case of Gatorade Zero. Also got a gallon of sweet tea. This is the Milo's or Milo's. I ordered the Great Value, which I tried for the first time last week and really thoroughly enjoyed. They were out of that, so they substituted that one. I haven't tried that one either, so it's a win-win. I get to try something new. I bought a whole bunch of canned fruit to have on hand. My family loves it, so I just stocked up. I got 2 each of fruit cocktail, pineapple slices, pears, peaches, and I think that's everything. Yeah, I believe that's everything. And I also got applesauce. The other cans here are Sloppy Joe sauce. We're going to have Sloppy Joes for dinner tonight. I picked up some of these mini peppers. We love these to snack on or to have with lunches. I also picked up a Caesar salad kit, which we also thoroughly enjoy. I got some baby carrots back there for snacks, and also some romaine lettuce for some salads. I'm going to continue going this way, and then we'll hit up the back end of the table for the rest. For bread this week, I got some 15-grain bread from Pepperidge Farms. I love this sort of bread, and I haven't had it in quite a while, so picked that up. Got some hamburger buns. That's for those Sloppy Joes. A couple of loaves of white bread. That's what the kids like for PB&J or grilled cheese, that sort of thing. Picked up a couple of the family-size Zatarain's jambalaya. We're going to have that with some smoked sausage that I also picked up, which you guys will see in a bit. 4 things, a half and half, the usual. For our coffee. Speaking of coffee, we were just about out, so I got another can of our favorite donut shop blend. Cookies, I picked up some of the classic chippers. These are just chocolate chip cookies. And of course our favorite Walmart brand Oreos. I got a dozen eggs. I picked up my favorite cereal of all time. It's the Peanut Butter Crunch. Of course, it's not going to do me much good without milk, but that's like an awesome midnight snack. Love it. It's my favorite. Even though it chews up my gums and hurts my teeth, it's my favorite. It's delicious. Got some Pop-Tarts, some frosted brown sugar cinnamon, and some frosted cherry. Here's the rest of my produce. So I got some of these little mini mandarin oranges and some Gala apples. I also got some bananas. We still have 2 bananas left from last week, but we go through bananas like crazy around here, so picked up a few more. I got some sweet potatoes here. I love a good baked sweet potato with a steak, which I think we're going to put on the menu for Memorial Day weekend. I also got a pineapple. We love pineapple, especially my son Austin. He is obsessed with pineapple. He loves it. All right, let's go ahead and walk around to the other side of the table and show you what I have there. Don't mind my messy kitchen. All right. I just always throw our grocery bags on the floor. I don't know if you guys do that, but that's how I do it. And then I make my kids pick them up. I'm a mean mom. Okay. I already talked about the romaine lettuce. Got some of this Prima Della buffalo chicken for sandwiches this week. Some tater tots. I'm going to serve those with the Sloppy Joes. The ground beef is for the Sloppy Joes. 1 pound is for that. The other pound we will do pasta with most likely. I ordered Eckrich smoked sausage. They gave me this John Morrell skinless. It's not my favorite. I'm not the biggest fan of this, but it's going in the jambalaya, so it should be fine. Picked up 4 cans of tuna. Robbie loves tuna salad sandwiches. Got some yogurt. I ordered the Great Value brand. They were out, so they gave me the Yoplait instead. This is strawberry and peach. And there's 2 packs of those, and also a pack of the Dannon Light and Fit Greek yogurt and strawberry. And the very last thing here is kind of hard to see. I ordered a great big beef roast. They were out of that, so they substituted this little guy. It looks like a great quality cut of meat. I don't know if it's going to be enough to feed my whole family. Sorry about the crinkling. Here it is. It is the Market Side grass-fed beef chuck roast. And it is 2 pounds, just under 2 pounds. So we'll see. I'll cook that up with some potatoes and carrots, and we'll call it a meal. Alright, you guys, I believe that is everything from Walmart this week. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you like grocery hauls, I post one just about every week. Show you what I feed my family of 4 on a budget. Typically using the Walmart pickup service, so if you like that kind of video, definitely hit the subscribe button so that you never miss one. I'd love to have you back, and I'll see you guys in my next video.